You've got to try doing this.
Wait for me.
I just done it for you.
Yeah, but she said you have to do this. Wait for it.
You meant to squeeze it first.
Oh, I knew that. Wait. Are you recording, Paige?
Oh, this is honky.
I think that's fallen off.
Yeah.
Now squeeze it.
I did, but I kind of have vinegar on my...
Oh, don't run up. That'll be enough, wouldn't it?
Charlie, come look at that.
Wait.
Hang on. It smells well nice.
It smells disgusting. You're having a bubble bath.
That's what I said.
It's a mushroom. My camera's broke on my iPod.
It smells like over the top.
Wait, how much?
Are you recording this?
I try to, but... You're having a bubble
Don't use any more.
How are we getting on, guys?
That stinks.
Perfect.
It's not. We're making our own bath.
It's a bubble bath.
Alrighty, move.
Guys, that's enough now.
I do mine. Excuse me, Lucy. I want to do my one.
There ain't enough room.
How do we do mine? Can I do it?
Yeah. Lucy just record.
Can I record it on your phone?
Girls, be careful.
Okay.
I want to do my
There's like
one.
2 minutes to make a bubble bath.
Right, we'll all do it at the same time.
The boys have made a bubble bath, guys. We need to do that. Theirs is like literally overflowing.
Oh, Emily!
Hurry up then.
Everyone.
Quick.
No. Front, please. I'm going to make a big volcano.
Can I put rubber in it? Hopefully it will explode. To space.
And never come back.
Like a satellite. Oh, that's called a finger. Bruh. Fingerer. No, bullshit.